Hi there, this is Ando coming to you from Bangkok, and today I'm taking an in-depth look at essential emails, one of DFY Islam's products. It's your number one important task, but nearly all marketers get it wrong. Transform your emails and transform your results. DFY's great on emails. I love getting his emails. I'm actually a great follower of his, and he takes you on board and makes you feel like it's a personal connection. It's not just something that's being sold to you. Look, treble your open rates. Reduce unsubscribes, and you get full video training. You need to stop doing the same things but expecting to get different results. That's true. That's so true. It's time to turn things around. There he is, DFY, from Edinburgh, Scotland. As a published author and journalist, I know what makes good email. He's certainly a man of many talents. He's a top 5% affiliate and top 10% vendor. Look, he gives you a demo. Fantastic. Proof of, oh, look at that. Wouldn't you like to be copying that every month? They're US dollars too. The Yankee dollar. There's another one. See the name there, DFY Islam? I've just about given up on some of this affiliate marketing stuff, but meeting and coming across DFY Islam made a hell of a difference, and I thoroughly recommend I thoroughly recommend his products for anyone who wants to get ahead. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.